Sea level rise in Key West. As global temperatures continue to increase, the global sea level will also continue to rise. Some areas will be more vulnerable than others, but coastal communities across the board will be extremely vulnerable. In Key West, Florida, residents are currently face to face with the realities of sea level rise as their low-lying home is increasingly threatened. The average elevation in Key West is less than 5 feet above sea level, so the area is no stranger to flooding. As sea level rises and other climate changes factor in, flooding will become even more extensive and potentially devastating. Even in the more hopeful emissions scenarios, many places in Key West will be underwater by 2100 at their current elevation. Although these facts might suggest that people should leave the Key West area altogether, many people seem determined to continue to live here. Also, the Navy has long had a presence here which they plan to maintain. For the wealthy, there will likely be ways to adapt to the changes forecasted in the area, yet owners of concrete slab houses which can't be raised, and other low-income residents may not be so lucky. From a community perspective, Key West is actively considering many problems and solutions associated with sea level rise. In addition to tide gauges, millions of dollars have been invested to upgrade drainage solutions and other infrastructure. The remote location of the island means that the city planners are familiar with exploring creative solutions to their problems, which will be key in the near future as new problems arise with the sea level. The current state of Key West is not sustainable, so it seems that the future of Key West depends entirely on how the community adapts.